now everything's pretty much flat across the board. So let's keep that in mind that we are starting in an inside day and it's acting like an inside day. For the most part, all the indexes are acting like an inside day. So we want to trade from our zones. Like this will be a decent long. It's counter on the YM, but you can look at that as a decent little long with overbought, oversold stochastics. And so again, we want oversold stochastics in these long environments or on a long trades. Again, I always say this on inside days, and we need to just think through it. Smooth hooks and stochastics. Nice HMA crosses with smooth hooks and stochastics, whichever direction you're trading. Smooth hooks and stochastics. Same on the ES here. Smooth hooks and stochastics. Nice little HMA cross. Give yourself a little bit more confluence, preferably from a zone. On days like this, make sure you're trading from a zone with smooth hooks and stochastics. Okay. All right. Keep it simple, guys. Don't overcomplicate the day. A couple people that I know that got beat up yesterday, and you should have been able to print money yesterday. So keep in mind that today might be a little bit harder. Today might be a little bit harder than yesterday. So if you couldn't do it yesterday, be very picky today on what you're trading. You must have a smooth hook stochastic, clean HMA hooks and crosses from a zone. Put all those three together with momentum. Don't trade against momentum today. Okay, you do all four of those together, and you're going to have a decent trading day. Now, if your entries are garbage, I can't fix that unless you do coaching with me. But other than that, if your entries are okay and you follow those 4 or 5 things, you're going to have a decent trading day. Okay. All right. Do you mind repeating the levels, please? Okay, Anita. So we're looking at some from trading wise here. I'll stay on the screen real quick for the ES. In the near term, we're going to be looking at that we've already ran into a pretty heavy level of resistance. Again, I like this level up here, somewhere between 64 and 74 as daily resistance. I know we're pretty darn close to that, but I still like it as daily resistance because if we get above that level, we've got some pretty clear selling to take off to the north side here. So that's the ES that we're looking at. And again, our levels are the zones. So you can have the zones sent to you on Telegram if you're not on Ninja, or if you are on Ninja, Anita, you can just download our levels package and install it. And these levels, while you're on trial, will just pop up on your screen with you, with us. So I go over the major levels. I assume that everybody gets the daily, the actual zones that we're trading from. Are you getting the zones that we're trading from, Anita? I mean, you see them on my screen, but did you download the thing for that? Because there's a lot of zones to go through, and I'd rather you get those sent to you automatically than me go through every single number. So I'll give you the major levels that I'm looking at this morning right now. I'm on my. I'm waiting on your reply.
Is she set up?
I don't know.
If not, she needs to get on.
If you're on Ninja, Anita, we can just.
We can, yeah, you can get them automatically.
Yeah,
you
we
don't
can
have to
just
worry about it.
Yeah, you can. Right now, Todd, if you don't mind, click on that support bubble in the bottom right-hand corner, and let somebody know that, and Hugo or somebody can help you out with that. Taylor possibly could help you with that.
Oh, okay.
Anita's on Ninja.
Good.
Okay, so if you're on Ninja, log into the members area, Anita, that you see on my screen right now, and you can install Liberty Toolkit and levels.
Why
And
don't we
then
get
if you
Taylor
want
to
to
walk her
use the
through it?
auto traders I'm using, yeah, somebody can walk
Yeah,
you through
one
it
of the
too,
one
but
of the guys will
it's pretty
get you
simple.
taken care of, Anita. They'll get you set up.
And you can get our tick reversal auto trader for that as well. And we can have somebody help you get set up with Tick Sentry so you can try those out while you're with us. I would highly suggest it because I'm going to be using those primarily the rest of the week. Tick reversal and Tick Sentry for my trades. I'll call out manual trades for you guys, but I'm going to be using our tools pretty much all week, rest of the week, and next week. So you can use these while you're with us. The zones will get sent to you automatically. So get those now if you could have needed. That way I don't have to go through every single zone, hand by line, number by number. And let me bring everybody over to the market analysis screen here. Again, if you did that YM trade, you should have targets off when I called it. That was a pretty clean long going into that YM right there. So here I was looking at these levels, pretty major resistance level that we fell from around that again around that 61.59 area. We kept seeing the 59 repeat itself on the daily chart, so we're going to call 59 resistant as a major level for today, and then pretty near-term resistance for today around 74. Again, I like that number. A lot of selling has happened around that number in the past. And when price first came up here, that's what happened as well. We had a lot of selling happen around that number. So we're gonna look at that as resistance for the day. And then other levels we wanted to look at is key levels. Again, that 20, 27, 28 area, 29, 429 on the ES looks pretty interesting. Something to note, it's really interesting that prices went down to my dead support yesterday and bounced right off of it. So that's an interesting thing for us to keep our eyes on. Now, if we do breach this 29 level, there should be nothing holding us back from hitting this lower level again on the downside. So the one counter I'll take a look at is here around 60, 59.60. That'd be the one counter I'd look at on the short side, and then definitely around the 74 area, I would look at a counter around that area as well. Counter trend, momentum trade. So those are the levels I'm looking at on the ES. Justin had some pretty good ones. 520 on NQ as a tradable level. I was looking at right around 600 as resistance on the NQ, and I saw some stuff right around his 320 level as well. So all those would be pretty interesting levels to trade from. Obviously, we always look at 77.26 on the NQ, because those are just levels that work over and over. Like 399, 441. I had 450. I was right at that 450 as well, Megan, on the NQ. 318, 320. Justin already had that, Megan, so I would look at that as a level trade. I was looking at 400. Where was that at? It was like a 400 for. Justin said 520 or 320, and I was talking about where was it? Yeah. So basically, where you're at right now, somewhere around this area is tradable area on the NQ. That would be counter at this point, obviously, but really we're at the inside day. So when you're at the inside day and the 89s are flat, the money lines are flat, everything's flat, 200s flat, things are flat. You almost just pick a side and say, okay, I'm gonna trade from the long side or I'm gonna trade from short side. Again, the larger time frames have a slight bit of a nose pointing down. Trade the edges. Yes, sir, Justin. Trade the edges today. So, Megan, those are good numbers. I like those. Write them on your whiteboard, Megan. That way they stand out. So you know to start looking for the trade when it gets there. That whiteboard's nifty, guys. I'm telling you. It works.
Oh, yes, it
You have a
does.
visual in front of your face. Little paper size whiteboard. Just put it next to your face and write your levels. Perfect. It helps, right, Megan? Have them written right there. And price at 320. Let me take a look. It helped me a lot when I was using a whiteboard until I started just memorizing my numbers because they repeat over and over and over. Yeah, and that's what guys, you know, but that reinforces your plan. You write your plan on a whiteboard every single day. Do it over and over and over. I guarantee there's probably only 10 people out of what, maybe 100 in here that write their plan down every single day. Guarantee it. 10 people maybe write their plan down every single day. Guys, the only reason I don't write my plan down right now is because I've done so many plans, written them down over the years that I have the actual memory, not muscle memory. But you guys need to be writing your plan down every single day. This is gonna get me off on a tangent.
I do it old school. I got a notebook on my desk, old spiral notebook, old school.
Oh, but you write like 6-point font, dude.
Yeah,
I have to get a magnifying glass out to see your handwriting.
But I color code it. I like highlight. I mean, I am very detailed about what I look for every day. That's why I'm out of my element right now. So very, very detailed. Can't do it without.
You are definitely out of your element right now.
I can't do it without
I don't even know how you could trade today.
I'm gonna make it. I don't know about trading. I just want to be in here. At least I can maybe see some call trades. I'm trading in micros. This is a good example. I'm out of my element, so I'm trading in micros today because I'm not going to risk any real money just to get my trades on, so I can get credit from the trades.
I'm gonna my trade. I'm going to go ahead and put the NQ on that past Bullinox account on the master account or whatever you call it.
Official, man. Finally getting them to take it serious. It only took me 2 years. It only took me 2 years for them to say, "Look, dude, throw some pass on a few of those." So you wait. He's going to get 10 or 20 of these things. He's going to be making 50 grand a month. And he's going to be like, "Why didn't you tell me this earlier?" Although taxes are going to kill you, but
that's probably the case.
Yeah.
He's
going to go from I don't want to trade those prop funds.
Dang taxes! I don't want these taxes.
That's a good problem to have.
All right, let's see. I'm okay with that. I'm gonna be a little bit more conservative. I'm not even gonna do a $500 risk on this. I'm gonna do a 300.
Do like
per day.
You know what? Our we do 15% of our daily drawdown. That's what we do. That's our rules when we trade funded accounts. So that would put you at, what is that, 2,500? What's 15% of 2,500? About 375. I don't have a calculator. Somebody here help me.
Well, 3. Yeah.
Anybody? 375. There you go. That's your daily risk.
Okay.
I want you to do that because I want you to follow exactly to our rules.
My daily risk.
I want to prove to everybody that this works. That you can pass it. Yeah, you passed it with TixEntry. You're going to get it to pay you with TixEntry, never risking more than 15%. That's what I want everybody to see. And maybe then they'll be like, "Hey, I can do this."
Where we go? Oh, they can do it. I'm gonna record. I'm gonna try my best to get that video recorded today. I got a couple of coachings to do, but you know what? Actually, I will commit to having that recording done for you guys today on the training for the new TixEntry. I'll have that recording done. Probably, I'll tell you what. I will make sure that I get it done tonight. I may just knock it out this afternoon. A little bit of production, and I was kind of hoping I'd get my new computer's not quite set up yet. So,
oh wow,
other things go by wayside sometimes. All right, so we're all set up here on the NQ with the new Bullinox account. It's all shiny, brand new. It's got that new account smell. Oh, that's not funny. Come on.
It's got that new account.
No, we go through so many prop accounts, we're nose deaf to new account smell. Do you have to pay extra for that?
It's that fresh new
I
account
sent you a
smell.
little bottle of
The spray.
what'd you say?
That's a little
bottle
new
of
account spray.
I
Get that fresh car.
had to pay extra for it. Man, my ear hurts. I don't know why. Hopefully a spider didn't make a home in it,
Ooh, that's not
or
good.
a fly in
Ooh.
there and makes a home in it. I knew somebody that happened to.
Oh, God, I bet that's horrible. Could you imagine? Because you could hear. Ugh.
Oh. Yeah, he was like, I just had this buzzing in my ear for a while. And I thought it was just like me going old, getting old. And I was like, no, there was a bug in it.
Oh, God, that's got to be
There
terrible. I
was a
couldn't even
bug making a
imagine.
home in your ear. Oh, God. All right. I know a couple people got long. Did anybody want to admit that they got long here? Or Lulu, you still in that long? Oh yeah, we're setting up my new Bullinox tick century, brand new paid account. Passing the other one. You know what? So I'm gonna leave that big at 2,500. I do need to change something. Nope, orders 3. I'm good with that. She's all ready to go. So I either go down 375 or make a bunch of money a day, one or the other.
425. Yeah, I mean, I'll always like that level, Megan, only because it's around the 26. So I'd be good. I'd be good. Actually, if it comes down to that 26, I will be long on a pullback. And it's right there at the money line. Well, the money line will probably be gone by then, but I will definitely be interested in that, Megan.
All right, let's do it. Long. Take a look at that one. I'll jump on that with you, Megan.
All right, it's the Megan trade.
Megan trade.
That way, if it goes wrong,
It's
we can
good.
blame
least
Megan, not us.
I like it.
No, I do
Whoa,
like it.
my line disappeared. Why'd my line disappear?
I don't know. Turn on, turn back off. Maybe because you did it in reverse order. Turn the global on off. Now turn it back on. See, there it is. There it is. There's your line up top, isn't it? Isn't that your line up top?
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, I'm put it at 27.75. There we go. All right. In other news, you got a little bit of first touch coming up here on the YM. What time is it? 9:23. I'm gonna wait till the open. Till after the open. We got some news this morning at 10, correct?
Check the news today. What do we have today?
10 o'clock. Jolts. Factory orders. We'll see if that does something. See if that does something. That probably will do something today. Okay. Mhm. Um, YM again down. We got kind of some mixed stuff going on here, guys. YM's down, and Q says up. Wait a minute. Huh. I need to turn that all off together. Turn it back on. Why are you so glitchy today, huh? YM's down, and Q says slightly up. ES flat, and maybe the NQ will push down a little bit further with some oversold stochastics when it gets down to that 26 level.
Man, it's weird working on these little bitty monitors. Got everything so
Yeah.
tiny.
You at least have
I
another
miss my
monitor
mission
plugged into it.
control. I
Oh,
do. I
yeah,
have
no.
one of the ones we use. But
Right.
still, I could have 10 of these and
Not
wouldn't
not
equal to
quite
one.
better. You know
Miss
how I
my
feel about
mission
it.
control.
I think the travel ones are a little too, or just a bit too small, but I think yours is too big. I like a good
Yeah.
like somewhere around 38.
But I'm also older than you too. I like bigger fun, be able to see things.
I don't like moving my head that much. I like to be able to look at everything with my eyes and not move my head.
Well, you're right, but you are right, 100%. I totally agree with that. If you're having to scan all over the place, that's bad. But if you notice, I trade with the front mirror, with the
Right.
front monitor, right?
See if we
All
get a
my
little.
trades are on the front, so I'm not moving my head, but just up and down. Really, that's it.
Yeah, that's true.
The other ones are just for research and levels and all the other stuff that I'm just seeing, and I don't really look at them. Once the market opens, I'm focused on our Liberty set, our chart setups. That's it. Everything else is just for prep
Come on,
or
NQ. Hook on.
the
Take off.
stuff that we're testing and things like that.
Take off. I don't like this so much now. It's not acting
Oh, did I
right.
miss the 26? Oh shoot, I did miss it.
Yeah.
You'll be all right.
Did it get down?
You could be all right. And, I mean,
Oh, it
it'll
was
at least give you a
27,
little bit
maybe.
of a profit. You'll be all right. I mean, you got
Oh, it was
something. You could,
28.
if you don't like it, you have an opportunity to get out with a profit.
Profit?
Yeah, $75. Hey, that's not
Right.
great, but it's start 80. There you go.
$35. $15.
80,
Beat that.
$15. There you go. Woo, big
First
player.
trade.
$15 win.
I just don't like how it's setting up.
First trade with the funded account. $15. Look
I
out.
told you I didn't like the way it's setting up. At least I took a profit.
Yeah, well, that's the beauty of the balance. You could always get out if you don't like it. And I would suggest if you know, anybody in here, if it starts doing that, get out. Don't let this thing go to full loss.
Yeah. Just
Small losses are recoverable. Or $15 profits are fine.
That's completely okay with me.
Hey, that's
First
an
trade
hour's
on
worth of
the
work at
new,
some jobs.
got that new account smell off of it.
Yeah, had to break it in. Just taking the training wheels off of it. That was it.
Account smell. Good or long coming up right now on the NQ. YM, you could still be in that long. Let's see. Looks like we're at the open. Here we go. Whole lot of action. We got lulled to sleep on this one this morning.
Oh, I wonder what happened. Yeah. All right,
Start the
let's see what
open.
happens.
Nothing on the ES, nothing on the NQ. A little bit of push up on the YM. Hey, Thomas, good morning. Tom, sorry.
Hey, Thomas.
Good
Good
morning.
morning. Is it Tom? Tom or Thomas? What do you go by? Thomas?
He likes Tom. He said
Tom.
it feels like he's getting in trouble if you call him Thomas.
Thomas
So
is
if
too
you make a bad
serious.
trade, I can call you Thomas. Money. I like it. All right. NQ's falling
Now that,
apart right now.
yeah, but
I like it. Again, those of you who are struggling to be profitable or newer to trading, please, 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 please wait a minute after the open to start settling in. And don't forget, we got some decent 10 o'clock news this morning. So I will be extremely picky personally until after 10 a.m., especially considering the fact that my go-to asset to trade is the ES. I don't see anything to do on the ES right now, and I think you're taking too much risk to go both directions with the grid style trading that we have on Tick Century, because it could pop out of this any second, and I don't want that to be the case for me. This first trade this morning. Yesterday, things lined up pretty well, so I took a little bit more risk yesterday, and it paid off. Not going to do it today. I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to take a lot of risk today. Hence the reason I killed that NQ long. That's for $15 profit. I don't want to take risk today. I'm going to be if I'm going to be, let me put it this way. If I'm going to be risk adverse today, what do you guys think you should be? Long. Stretch. Good job. Good job, Stretch. Most of you guys, if you're not consistently profitable, should probably be risk adverse as well, correct? Good job. You took the yes from this level here, I'm assuming, Stretch. Good job, Isaac. Is that my guess? Good trade. Again, Stretch and Isaac are consistently profitable traders. Everybody else that doesn't fit in that category, you should be waiting another few minutes until the market gives you a little bit of a direction. How was your, were you on a trip or something, Stretch? Was that trip good? Wasn't he? I've talked to so many people that have been on vacation
he was
lately.
all over the place, I think.
Yeah. 9-1. All right. How'd that go? You have a good travels? Nice long there, Stretch. I'm assuming you're still in it. 9-1. Good deal. Still long. Good trade, sir. Good trade. I got a couple private messages. I got a couple people in on YM. Your only stop you can really look at on YM right now is around 296. ES stop is 50.75. For those people that are in, Stretch obviously knows how to manage his stops, but I've got a couple other people that are in. The only reason I said that on the ES, I know that's a little tight, but if it pushes down, it's going to take out any other stop you have. So, all right. Looks like we are trying to push up. So I'm going to turn on. What's that?
Yeah, it's just say looks like the thing he's going to break up. I would like to see a retrace down to the 77. That would be a nice little.
The zones are working pretty well in the NQ this morning.
Yeah, it is working pretty well.
Zones are working really well. I'm staying away from this for a couple more minutes, guys. I might not take a trade until after 10 this morning, just to be honest with you. Those that are long, stay long. Just stay long. I know I pulled your stops a little tight, but get back in, stay long. Get back in and stay long. Let's see. What do I want to do? I'd really love to see a momentum change on the NQ. Then I would turn on my money line long, but I'm going to wait until after. I don't know. If I don't like the price, I don't like this price action right now on the NQ. I really don't. Bars are too big for me. Wicks on both sides. I mean, yes, you got wicks on both sides coming into this too. Even YM has wicks on both sides. I just not a fan of the price action right now. Me personally. Again, if you know your entries and you know your levels, trade it. You're more than welcome to. We said it first thing this morning. Trade the edges. Trade the edges, guys. And it looks like we're starting to build a decent little edge for pretty much all three. Yeah, you got kind of a low and a high for all three from this morning. All three indexes. NQ and ES pop obviously in a very tight range and choppy tight range at that. Good trade, Stretch. Good trade. I'm just going to wait for a little bit more clear direction here, guys. There's a good counter short coming up on the YM.
It's right in this zone here. The NQ, you could possibly take a long here. 77, a little bounce.
Yeah, that probably doesn't look bad. Yeah, he just said 77, Michael.
Yeah, I did the 77 also.
There it was. Good call.
There it was. It was
nice.
That was it.
Good little winner. That was nice.
Quick little
good little winner.
$50 scalp. Nothing much, but this kind of market we're having, so it might go more. Hold on. We can get a hook with stochastics.
Yeah.
There it goes.
Like
Well, it was pretty clean because it came down. Yeah, I mean, don't do it again. It's going to probably break us.
Don't go to the well too many times.
Yeah, don't do it again. I mean, you got one is all you're going to get on this one.
Okay. We are at 938. Still getting kind of choppy price action. I don't think I would take this trade on the ES from the middle here, even though it says it wants to be long. Everything else is starting to turn. Well, we still all the indexes are mixed this morning. Mixed emotions. They're acting like teenage girls in love. Teenage boys in love.
Teenage boys.
That's what the markets are acting like today. Teenagers in love. I stretch. Again, guys, Stretch is a sniper with his entries, so
that 77 worked pretty well. So it'd be.
Green jeans, Teenage Ninja Turtles in love. That's basically what this is. Take your chances when you get a chance to. That 77 was a good call on Paul's part. I said that there was a long setup, but I gave it caution on the ES. You had the short that worked out on the YM. So I'll call trades for you guys. I'm not saying you should be in them, but I'll call trades out that are setting up here.
Yeah, there's really nothing right here. You have to. We got to be patient.
Be a sniper.
Yeah, you either got to be
a sniper.
Got to be really good with your entries and really quick with your targets. Isaac, what are you posting there, Isaac? What is this? Ah, dude, Isaac, really? Nice. Go away, Isaac. Did I read that right? Oh, it's your total P&L. Is that your total P&L for the day or for the account? That's for the day. You definitely got to go away. Really? All right. Kick him out. You're
Kick
done.
him out.
You are done, sir.
Kick him out.
With this market, don't give a penny of that back.
Oh, don't.
You could take this again. Oh, I'm so tempted.
I'm afraid to go too many times to the well on that.
I know. I'm afraid to go to the well on it too. But if it does double bottoms here, I'm going to try it. There it goes. I took it. I couldn't resist. Look at that. Go, baby.
There you go.
Nice. $800 trade. I'll take it.
I gotta fix my lag. There we go.
All right, 277's paid off nicely. Did you take that one on the paid account, Brian? No, you didn't, did you?
No. I'm being conservative, dude.
I mean, but I mean, you know me, I'm conservative. It was just perfect double bottom. Look at it.
Okay, I'm being a baby.
Okay, yeah, as I say, you're not being conservative. You're being no, but I'm picking on you. You're right. Like,
I don't like the price action, man. I'm not gonna trade the price action I don't like.
I will say when it's bouncing between the that 400 and that 77 like that so cleanly.
I think he just uses tick entry to take it. Has a set number of ticks he wants.
Have and get out. What is your scalp?
I
put the tick entry, and then when it hits that first target, but on that last one, I moved my first target, so that's why I got more money because I knew it was going to go up a little higher once it broke up. But typically, I just turn it on and let tick entry take the first target, whatever that is. So it's usually about $150 is what it'll be, somewhere in that area.
So tick reversal got me in along on the YM here.
28, Megan. I use a tick 28 tick
space. I don't have that. See, I'm making money, and I'm using our auto traders to do it. Isn't that amazing?
Yeah, Lulu, and that's perfectly acceptable. I'd much rather people be sitting on their hands right now. I mean, if it's not in your trade plan,
I'm gonna tie this.
We don't. What are you doing there? The
long ATR hash. Attached. Let our auto trail let our programs make money for me. How about that? I'm just not a fan of the price action right now. I mean, again, I said it about 10. I said. Oh, Sam. I said.
So I said it again. I said it.
I said it. I've said it like 10 times this morning, guys. Take your chances with a lot of confluence, nice smooth hooks and stochastics. Those of you that I'm really only talking to people that are struggling to be profitable, right? We call trades. Great. Those of you that should be taking them, take the trades. But at the end of the day, a good portion of you guys shouldn't be taking all of the trades we call today. You should be picking and choosing these double bottoms like on the ES here. That's a nice little setup.
NQ.
Double bottom on the NQ. Nice little setup. You got a perfect perfect little hook out of stochastics there on the YM for a nice little win there. Take those trades. Trade from the edges, like I talked about. If you want to trade on the top side, you trade from the top from the zone that the ES and NQ have settled into. Short. If you want to take that short. But guys, we're still in a neutral market all across the board. Just about as neutral as you can get. So you take your chances, 1 or 2 good trades, walk away. Walk away. Be happy. At this point, I'm probably going to end up waiting until 10 to get a more than what I got on the ES and on the YM and NQ right now. I just don't like. Here's what I don't like about this: these large bars coming out of nowhere. That's what I don't like about this price action. Extremely large bars out of nowhere. And good trade, short side. Yeah. So literally, Stretch just did what I said. Trade from the extremes. Crossing stochastics over ball, hooking stochastics, rejection wicks on the top side. That's what you're looking for. Now, let's call some trades for them. Just because I'm not trading it doesn't mean you guys can't. Good trade, Stretch.
Good job.
You get a little bit of a long signal coming up here on the NQ in a second. Looks like I'd like for the ES to be a little bit lower on that one.
I am long ES, but I didn't.
Long. That's setting up okay right now for a long, guys. There's your targets and everything on the NQ on the long I just called.
Nice. Good call.
Start targets.
Perfect bounce. Look at that. That 77 is a magnet today.
Making money for you. Anybody grab one of those ES or NQ longs? Targets off. Stops are guaranteed win on both. Nobody grab that? Anybody? Nobody? Nobody. There's nobody out there that grabbed the longs. Todd Howard, good job. Tom, I'm assuming that means you took long. NQ long. Good job, Megan. Wait, you got in. Yeah, okay. You got in at $3.99. A little late on the entry, but that's still okay. From our rule set, Tom, just so you know, the best entry would have been somewhere around this 386, even down here to somewhere around 386 to 385 would have been the ideal entry in our thought process using our hook and stochastic and HMA cross. Just so you know, Tom, not trying to call it out, but good job. At least you got some profits on it. Everybody should have gotten 47.25. Not bad. That's really a pretty decent little entry. You should have gotten some juice on that one, Justin. You should be flat by now. Thank you. Thanks, Tom. I said Roger because I was he wrote Roger. All right, let's settle off on the longs for a minute, guys. Settle down on the longs.
I was going to say it's coming down to 77 again, but no, I think that's 3 taps. It's a good break. 4 taps,
that's
5
like
taps.
4 or 5 taps.
Yeah, that's watch it work out perfect too.
Oh, it's not going to.
No,
don't play that.
I'm playing.
Now we got it. Now we're getting some good direction here. We got to start having a bias toward our short side now. I like it. So selling rallies now, guys. I'm okay. I'm okay with looking at the short on the money line.
Look at this freaking 77 work again. Are you kidding me?
Did it?
Look at that thing work again.
It overshot it.
Unbelievable. Overshot it, but it worked.
Give me money. Come on. No. No. The brand new account can't do it.
Not on the new one. Okay, he's already blowing the account up.
It's gonna stop me. No, I'm not going to. If it goes down 300, I'm done. I'm not going to let it go that far. I'm going to kill this right now. Not going to let it
live
happen.
to trade another one.
Yep.
That's freaking 77.
Told you guys, I don't like this price action.
Wow.
I don't like it. I'm killing this. Not going to do it. I don't like this price action. I don't even know why I turned that on. Wow.
I guess until this thing breaks and holds, you got to respect that 77 at this point.
Man, I think so. I think I said it was 427. There's a sell signal coming up on the NQ and on the ES.
Yep, got one on the ES. Not quite a hook yet.
Not quite the best, but
what's our stochastic settings? What is it?
314.5.
314.5.
Three.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. He's supposed to be a coach.
I know. I had it set wrong. I'm telling you, I'm off my game.
Oh yeah, that's right. You are.
I'm trading blind. I'm off my. I'm doing the best I can. I called a few good trades. That's it.
You did.
Considering what I'm under here, I'm happy.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. It's wrong. Wrong.
Do we break up
Isaac.
here?
Isaac, nice. You're looking at. I mean, it's still below that level I was looking at this morning in NQ. That 500 is what I was looking at. Sorry, not 600. 500 is what I was looking at. I think Justin said 520, so that's pretty close.
I mean, by my
Still
rules,
haven't got the setup finish on the NQ. Go ahead.
I'm saying by my rules, this would be a valid short, but I don't like it. I think this might break here.
That's what I keep saying. It's not setting up right. If it hooks down a little bit, the trade's not setting. It could be a good short, but you got it on the ES coming up too. But it just doesn't look like it's setting up right for me to be really excited about it.
That was a winner if I'd have took it.
There you go. Target's off on the ES if you do it.
20. If anybody did the 26 short, it would have winner.
Great job, Isaac. Great job, Isaac.
Isaac, I thought you were
short.
Done.
Anybody grab that?
Oh.
Nope. There's his risk capital account.
Gotcha.
All right. Push the pedal to the middle.
Man, these
good job,
levels
Michael.
are being respected today, big time. Big time.
Guys, especially on the ES today, look for these rejection wicks, both sides, long and short. When you get those are going to be decent set trade setups. But rejection wicks and then the rollover and stochastics and HMA give you some good confirmation. Which one are you on, Michael? You're on the NQ? Are you still in? Your stop is probably at 421 right now. You could go a little bit lower with that, maybe down to 417 would be the tightest I would take it. ES stop at 49.25 right now and hold it. Stay in it, guys. If it pushes through that south side this time, ES and NQ, they're going to follow the YM, which is turning down big time right now. So they will end up following the YM and push to the downside. Yep, they're going down, baby.
Going down.
Going down. Stay in your shorts. Stay in your shorts. Stay
Please
in
stay
the
in.
shorts, guys. You can move your please stay in your shorts. You can move your stop on the ES at 47.75. Short, good job, Dennis. 26.8, good job, Michael. Good job, guys. Again, that 47.75 is a good stop on the ES. I don't have a good stop for the NQ right now. No, I do. Good stop on the NQ is 413. If it takes that, it's gonna take your profits away anyway.
Yep, 15 is where I'm at. Yeah. Close to news. Okay, we got 10 o'clock news.
Yep. My plan this morning was wait till after that anyway, and I did not. So that's on me. I said that all morning to myself too. But I will sell this. I should have turned that into a reversal. All right. I'm going to turn my shorts on the tick reversals for the YM and ES. And let's see.
Back down at that 77 again. What does it do?
Oh my goodness.
What you gonna do?
Bad boys. What you gonna do when they come for you? There's a long, I mean, it looks like a long setting up, but I don't want to call a trade in front of the news right now.
Oh, that's right. We got news in 4 minutes. Yeah, I know. I almost said the same thing.
And I've got a couple people that think that the news is going to be a little wild and woolly for some reason, which I'm okay with. We'll follow our rules on the news trade. Look for a decent little. Excellent. Yes. Yeah, I was looking at 39 before. There was some spots around 39 that were interesting to me. I didn't see anything at 36. Let me take a look at that. Yeah.
Got hold of 77 again.
36. Yep. Looks like it. Yep. There you go. I just think we need to. I'm going to wait till after news to really.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Get hot and heavy about trade calls or trades.
It is going to work though. Freaking thing going to work again. Here, look at that. Boom. That is a solid line today, people. You can trade those 26 and 77.
Joey.
Just trade them. They're working until they break. Respect it till it breaks. Joey, good job.
Nice job, Joey. 39.25. Yeah, I had 39 right at 39 as well, Lulu. So anywhere between 36 and 39. But if it gets below that, what did I say this morning? Below yeah, no, actually use 39 this morning. If it goes below 39 this morning, I'm almost prepared to just press the sell button on the ES.
It's wanting to dump. I tell you what, when it does break the 77 on NQ, it's gonna.
Joey got a runner.
Nice job, Joey.
I guess same thing this morning on the NQ. If it gets below that 77, stays there. Kind of have to put a short somewhere. I'll figure out where to do it, whether it's entry line, money line, or I I'd like to see it push up above this in front of news. I don't think that's going to happen. Here we go.
That's what I said. If it holds that,
give me a sell signal.
I will be short. If it breaks and holds that 77, I'll go
trying
short.
to break it.
Maybe let it break and come back and retest it.
It's trying to.
Oh, there it goes again. Bounces back up.
Wow.
Wow.
Well, that's scary to me.
77 winner again. If anybody took it, I didn't.
It's ridiculous.
Wow.
All right, news says up.
Oh,
so
you almost.
News
I'm going to
up.
have to take this 26 here.
Weak jobs data. Weak jobs data and market says up. That doesn't make any sense. I might have to do the reversal. Let it settle out a little bit after this. Because that's what they've done in the past. Oh, get up there. Going up there. Money line. On the YM, I'm doing money line. Looking at the reversal on the NQ. And I'm going to do the same thing with the ES. Reversal. Have to go up. It'd have to stay up past that 53 on the ES for me to stay long that. Obviously, NQ has bigger, longer legs than the ES has. So, again, that 500 level would have to be above the 500 level on the NQ for me to ixnay the reversal A, inversal ray, ixnay a reversal ray, something like that, whatever it is. I really like them. I really like the money line trade on the YM right now, guys. I have my shorts on the ES and YM on the tick whistles. I've got what I want to see on the ES and NQ turned on my tick centuries. So there we go. And watch what they do. Weak jobs out of Dennis. What's the question mark for Dennis? I missed it. Oh, okay. We just already had a question mark probably typed in. Now you could possibly look for a short out of here on the ES. Again, I know but don't just press the short button. Wait till you get a nice little hook, HMA turned down, stuff like that. I still think we maybe wait a minute or two longer, but good. Oh, okay. All right, that's a good long on the NQ. I mean, I would have a stop probably somewhere around 423 if I were in that.
Yeah, I'm long the NQ also.
Try to hold on to it. Good job, guys. Now I have to start thinking to cancel that. Still have that 53 I'm looking at on the ES here.
$26 long if it comes back on NQ. I like that.
Again, respectively, YM, it's got to stay above the pivot before I'm excited about longs. NQ, got to stay above 500 before I get excited about longs. ES, got to stay above 53 before I get excited about longs. We're still in mixed trend. YM longer term trends down. ES longer term trends up. ES says down. YM says down. NQ says up. So mixed trend here, guys. I think we said it already 2 or 3 times. Trade from the edges. Trade from the edges. Did there. Trade from the edges. Do what Paul's been doing. I want to trade from the 77 on the long side.
Yeah,
trade
just trading from the edges.
This 50 level on the short side.
Trading from the edges.
Yep, that's all you got to do today, guys. There was your sell on the ES finally happened with the HMA crosses and everything. I did call that out ahead of time, and I said probably around 53. It came before it, but whatever. That was the sell signal that I talked about for you guys. Did anybody take it? Yes. NQ. Nope.
I did say 26 bounce. I don't know if anybody took it. I said if it comes back.
You had the 26 bounce too. Yep, you did say that.
I got that. Nice. Yep, that's perfect. I'm telling you, these lines, days like today, you need to trade these lines. They are money. They're respecting them like they are.
Inside day.
It's very predictable.
Okay.
I like the NQ like this. It's easy to read. Very easy to read. Look at that. Big. Anybody else take 26? I said 26 long if it comes back. My words exactly.
Oh, you called it out a while ago.
Yep. I called it out.
All right. I'm taking your NQ trades now. I'm taking your NQ trades.
Okay. Well, the last time we did that was a loser, so I can't do it now. I took like 6 winners and then I called you a loser.
It's not. I am not concerned about that.
Nah, not today. Not with these levels.
One losing trade will never change my life.
Not as long as it's controlled.
Which you know it will be.
Yes, it will. All right. Well, let's almost have to try this again if it comes down.
26 long?
Yeah, almost have to because it's respecting it so well.
It scares me.
And it's look, the money line's gonna be right there, right? Is that the money line? Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're right.
I mean, it's coming right at it. Maybe just put it on the money line. Let it overshoot it like it. I don't know. I hate to go too many times to the well, but the well's been pretty deep today.
That's true. 26 and 77 played like a fiddle.